We're putting the new John Deere Gator XUV835R utility vehicle to the test under the most extreme real-world conditions all over North America. In this test, we went to a dealership in Beaver Dam, Wisconsin to see how long it would take to prep the Gator for the test to come. Here's what we found. The 835R has been engineered for fast and easy upgrades. A lot of them. Necessities, really. For the journey to come. And the importance of being able to pull your weight. And to illuminate the trail ahead, light kits can now be installed in a flash.
Ready?
Ready.
Ready.
Turning productivity up a notch has never been faster or easier.